so many fields of wildflowers. She beats the air and flies away. She thinks her dreams are small daisies and roses, no simple language. Someday she'll understand the meaning of it all. He's more than laughter of the stars in the heaven, as close as a heartbeat or a song on her lips. Someday she'll trust him, learn how to see him. Someday he'll call her, and she will come running, and she'll fall in his arms. The tears will fall down and she'll pray, I want to